So hello class 8th, and now we are doing our example number 2. Here you can see in the table I have been given two parameters, time in hours and heart rates in beats per minute. The question goes like this, that at different intervals of time the heart rate of a patient was being monitored and we have to plot the graph. Now I have taken the x-axis and the y-axis. On the x-axis there is no problem at all. 1 unit difference I have taken and I have plotted 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and here I have written time in this. Now when I am plotting along y-axis, if I see that the highest reading is 90 and the lowest one is 72. Now the entire thing is lying between 72 to 90, so nothing has to be done for the lower readings, right? And moreover, if I take the difference of 10, 20, 30, 40, then it would be quite messy because the entire data is lying between 72 to 90. So what I have done, I have used a kink. What is a kink? We draw it like this. Kink, this kink shows the break. It shows the disconnection in a graph. So I have drawn this kink, children. Now kink means my graph is disconnected from this point and has been directly joined with the point where the reading was 70, right? So after 70 I have taken a 2 unit difference, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90 and 92. Now I will plot it. So my point is, children, wherever you need a kink, you have to draw it. And kink हम कहाँ draw करेंगे? When a major lower part is not required to us, we are concerned with the upper part of the data. Now 6, the reading is 80. So from 6 I am starting, and this is the first point, children. I am getting, let's write it down also, 6, 80. And now the second is 8 and 76. This is 8 and this is 76. So 8 and 76 is the second point. Then is 10 and 84. 10, go like this. And this one is 84. Right? Then is 12 and 88. 12. From here 88. And 88. The next one is 14 and 90. 14 and from here 90. And the last one is 16 and 72. 16 and 72. Now children will join. 6 joins with 8, 8 joins with 10, 10 joins with 12, 12 joins with 14 and 14 joins with 16. So this is the linear graph you are obtaining. I'll highlight it so that it is clearly visible to you. But yes, again and again I am repeating that the joining has to be with the help of scale only, right? Now the most important part, scale, x-axis. What I have plotted on the x-axis, time in hours, and 1 unit is 2 hours. So 1 unit is equal to 2 hours. And on the y-axis, what I have plotted, heart rate, and again 1 unit is equal to 2 BPM, beats per minute. So that's all, children. I hope it is clear to you. For the rest of the questions I am giving you the PDF. Solve them. If you have any queries, you are free to contact me. Thank you.